hirap.
Grabe. And we're still sore from yesterday.
Oo, ang hirap mga Zoobs.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Do you wanna stay at Jaja? Yeah. Hi mga Zoobs! Ayan, may ilaw na kami. Andito ulit tayo sa parking lot ng gym. Kakarating lang namin. At kami ay mag-workout. Tuesday ngayon, my workout is leg day. And you?
It's gonna be leg day also.
Alam nyo.
Only doing 3-day split at the moment. Usually I do 4 kasi.
Grabe, akala ko kanina hindi daw makapag-gym. Kasi parang sumakit yung... Naging weak yung body ko. Talagang naramdaman ko. Sabi ko, ano kaya yun? Siguro feeling ko yung pagbubuhat ko kahapon nagiging effective. Parang may effect siya sa mga...
But you were like that
sa
the last time
muscles.
you did back, diba? So baka
Siguro dahil
sobrang
na-
mahina yung system mo after back
Oo.
day.
Hindi, kasi ang dami ko rin talagang ginawang back workout kahapon. Kaya buti na lang bumalik na yung energy ko today.
So we've been basically sitting around. Well, not really. I mean, we've been waiting for you to get better, but we watched some series and but we got up late though.
Yeah, we got up like before lunch kasi late kami nakatulog kagabi. Nanood kami ng series. Tsaka... Anong ginawa mo sa akin? Hindi, tsaka inantay namin si Ima ngayon kasi dumating na siya para makapag-workout nga kami ng mas mahaba dahil siya yung bantay dun sa mga bata. Kasi si ate yung daming nilalabang mga damit natin.
And then she's cooking giniling ulit for
For
me
you.
because that's my new favorite at the moment.
As in, buong buwan yata yun ang kinakain.
Actually, the whole month we've pretty much
Gusto
been
niya
eating
yung
the same.
beef giniling, mga zubs na may carrots and potato.
Pero
Patatas.
what do you call it? Sobrang maliit lang yung parang cube.
So yun lang yung niluluto ni ate.
Masarap
Ako
eh.
naman, 1 meal a day lang, tapos na. Hindi ako masyadong kumain today kasi yung nga masama yung pakiramdam ko kanina. Pero ngayon, I'm better.
But
So,
dapat kain ka mamaya kasi syempre
leg day.
leg day tapos yun. And we still have cardio to do.
Yeah, mahaba-haba tong exercise na to. So excited and very looking forward. Kaya let's go.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-gym. Nahilo kami parehas kasi leg day kami ngayon. Tapos di ba nagsa-squat challenge kami. Ilang ginawa natin? 60 na.
60.
Ang hirap.
Grabe. And we're still sore from yesterday.
Oo, ang hirap mga Zoobs. Tapos ngayon kakain ako kasi nahihilo ako. I feel like kakain ako at least protein naman.
Protein.
Oo.
Dapat.
Kasi leg day. I
Those
think
takes so much. Parang leg and back, it takes so much
energy, no?
energy.
Tsaka mas mabigat kasi yung binubuhat ko ngayon dahil nga talagang gusto ko mas effective yung exercise kasi sayang naman yung time kung hindi ko gagamitin, diba? So pinaready ko na yung kakainin namin tonight. Pag uwi namin doon, nakaready na. Nagpagawa ako ng avocado, saba, tsaka kangkong. Tapos pork yung aking ngayon,
Ulam. Actually, kasi it's easier to eat the same thing every day because that way you'll know na, like, example,
Bakit?
okay lang. That way you'll know na if, example, you wake up bloated and you had a burger on the weekend, then you'll know na it's because of the burger, diba? Like if you're
Parang
just
totoo yung kwento mo nga. Nag-burger ka talaga. Nakaraan.
no, but I mean like
Yeah.
that's why people meal prep
Mm-mm.
and eat the same thing that way.
Actually,
Like example, they're not losing weight. Oh, then I have to cut something out kasi hindi maganda yung diet. So, we'll lessen the calories. If that doesn't work, well, then I have to lessen something, the carbs.
bukas mamamalengke sila ate. Kasi nagpapabili ako sa kanya ng different kinds of fish. Tapos papabili din ako sa kanya ng mga beef giniling and
Yeah, I gotta eat
some
fish
beef.
too, pala.
Oo.
Salmon.
Salmon yun, magpapabili
Sana
ako sa kanya.
boneless.
Yeah, boneless
Ayoko yung
sabihin ko.
bony.
Boneless, not bony. So ayan, I think gutom na ako. Kailangan ko nang kumain. Umaambon pa. Gabi-gabi na lang umuulan, nakakalungkot.
No, at least, I guess because we're training later, we can walk, diba?
Nakaka-walk kami sa treadmill after ng working out. Kaya okay na din.
Although, I still think we should get that parang treadmill sa floor.
Tingin mo. Saan ba nakakabili ng mga Zoops? Baka may alam kayo, paki-comment naman dito. Para magre-research lang kami. Alam niyo yung treadmill na nasa floor lang, yung
walang handle.
wala nang handle. May nakita kasi si Auntie. Check niya rin.
And I
mamaya.
think actually it doesn't have any elevation or anything. It's just
Floor.
yeah.
Okay lang yun. Basta at least actively
I
walking.
mean, there's some nights we
Umuulan.
want to just walk at the house and it's not possible right now. Ilang araw na, parang 6-7 days straight me.
Umuulan. So ayun, I can feel my stomach ganun na. So ako kahit nag-OMAD ako, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nagugutom ako, I have to eat. Hindi ako pwedeng magtiis kasi masama din yun, makaka-ulcer naman tayo. So ayun lang, lapit na kami sa house. See you.